I am Mohammad Samim Hosen. At present, I am working as Area Sales Manager, Sales and Marketing at Madina Cement Industries Limited and have 8 years experience in sales and marketing and strategic business planning and development area. I have several skills like strategic sales management, retail management, trade and promotional work, critical thinking and creativity, distribution network design, marketing and product line development, new market identification, business research, sales budgeting, customer relationship and complaint management, etc. I am leading the sales, marketing and business development of Madina Cement Industries Limited at Jhenaida, Kushtia, Magura, Meherpur, Chuadanga territory from August 2020 to till now. Here I am promoting two different brands, Tiger Cement and Three Ring Cement. I am supervising a team of 8 people. I have created 8 new dealers and nursing a total number of 25 dealers and 127 retailers. I have increased 10% dealer and 40% retailer. I have covered around 30% of the retailer. I am selling around 60,000 bags of cement, which is worth of VDT 3 crore and scored 28 years to years business growth. Before that, I worked as Assistant Manager Sales and Marketing at Unique Cement Industries Limited from October 2018 to June 2020. There, I worked at Dinaspur, Nilphamari, Thakurgaon, Panchgarh area. I had to supervise a team of 7 people and there I increased 12 dealers and 123 retailers. I also ensured around 25% sales growth in my tenure. I had to sell 1.5 lakh bags of cement ore of VDT 4 crore and secure 22% year-to-year business growth. I also worked at Dinaspur area as Senior Executive Sales and Marketing in Deshbandhu Cement Mills Limited from October 2015 to October 2017. There I sold around 40,000 bags worth of VDT 1 crore and secured 12% growth. I started my career from Pran Arfil Group as Territory Sales Officer in April 2013 and work in Shatkania, Lohagara, Chittagong and Bandorban district. There I had to sell different pipe fitting. I increased 26 dealer and 82 retailers. I have completed MBA in Marketing from Begum Rokeya University in 2019. I also completed MSS in Political Science from Dinaspur Government College in 2015. I have finished Bachelor of Arts in Political Science from Bhrungamari Degree College in 2013. I have also participated in several training for personal and professional development. I am convinced that my knowledge, skill, teamwork and interpersonal skill have equipped me with a strong set of valuable competencies that meet your needs. I am eager to combine my previous experience with my passion for new career fields in order to work hard and make a meaningful contribution to your organization. I would welcome the opportunity for a personal interview to discuss all this issue with more details.